Well, back here in the garage again today, and we are about to pull off my manifold because we are going to get the good old external gate welded on. Well, not the gate itself, but we're going to put a piece right there in the middle, right there. That way we can put the gate right on top of it and I can actually have more boost. I am super excited about that. That's going to be tomorrow. So let's get off tonight, get there at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and have some more fun.
Hello, puppy.
So as you can see, we're under the car now, and I need to take off those two bolts. Just take off the feed and returns, the dual system. As you can see, the feed is a small line, the return is a big line. I also need to get one last bolt out from a downpipe. The whole thing will come off. As you can see, it's pretty small. Just goes right back there towards the back of my trans, and we're good. Also, due to being how small it was under the car, I decided to just go ahead and take that stuff off without the camera rolling, simply because it's really hard to hold up a camera and use both hands to work and, you know, kind of crawl around on your back. Other than that, that's all done. Downpipe's off, oil lines are off. Let's get this turbo and manifold off. That way we can get it stripped down and sent over to WASP tomorrow, and we'll get that wastegate flange welded on. Swivel socket sets, totally worth it. Well, here it is, guys. Stock manifold, stock turbo. I mean, it works. It's should work just fine. A little bit of oil in there, but it'll be all right. So gotta get this turbo off the factory manifold, because we're gonna have to weld up the factory wastegate port, so that way it doesn't open and really just kind of screw us over with boost pressure. So out here at WASP, Dave does not like the cameras, so we'll just kind of keep him out of it. But I'll show you guys around, show you kind of what they're doing in there. So let's go check it out. Hey, puppy. Hi. 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 Puppies. Puppies. Hi. 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 You pooped all over the place over there. We are all done at WASP. The wastegate flange has been welded on. It is down there with everything else. I know it's kind of hard to see. So I'm heading back towards the home area. I got a few other things to do, but I will see you guys next week. I'll have it on. I'll have new wastegate springs put in there, and we'll go for a test hit. As always, like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I'll see you guys later.